Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob in a Ford Escape that has a smart key like this. It doesn't actually have a physical key here, so it just has the lock and unlock buttons here, and I'll show you how to change the battery on this. And this is from model years 2013 to 2019, so to present. They're using this on the Ford Escape. So 2013 to present. And this one's a really easy one to change. So if you flip the fob over here in the back, you'll notice there's kind of this button here. It's almost a latch, and you can slide this. So if you depress this button down, this will release an internal latch here and allow you to separate this part here from the main part of the battery. So one trick that I've found is to just use your finger to depress this, and then something else to get some leverage in that spot between the back here, and that'll allow you to easily remove the back like so. So you can set this aside, and this is the part that you'll need to replace. This is the coin battery. It's an internal battery. It's a CR2032, and you just pop this out with a small flathead screwdriver. Is probably the easiest way, or you can use a paper clip or pretty much anything. Kind of get in here and pop this guy out. And you can see you'll want the positive side down. Positive side is the side with the lettering here. Again, you can see this is a CR2032, pretty common coin battery. So take the positive side, make sure it gets in these two grooves here. There's kind of two metal prongs here. Make sure it presses up against those and then sets into place. And then just go ahead and pop on the back onto the main part of the fob, and it'll just kind of click in place, and that latch will reset. Make sure it's set all around, and there you go. And that's how you change the internal key fob battery for Ford Escape 2013, 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.